Hey guys, so we're here with Casey today. Me and Casey worked together on the recent Luxe dressing project. I'm really excited to just chat to him today about the project, ask you some questions. So firstly, before starting, what challenges were you facing for Luxe dressing the project before approaching Blackburn Digital?
Sure. I think with us, like, being a startup, it's having someone to work with who we could actually trust and deliver. We worked with a few agencies previously, and I think it's a sort of classic example of over-promising, under-delivering. So with this time around, we was looking for someone who was really kind of hands-on in terms of the communication, and actually, we wanted someone who we could work alongside and would actually be able to bring our vision to life. So I think for us, it was really, again, making sure that we were specific in who we were after, and your sort of knowledge and expertise really sort of shone through, and that willingness to sort of provide value and point us in the right direction, irrespective of whether we were going to work with you, just kind of went above and beyond in making sure that you were the right person for this project.
Amazing. And before starting with us, was you skeptical for any reason before starting? You said that you had a bad experience with a few agencies.
Yeah, I think, again, it just really came down to like communication. That was a big sticking point that we sort of encountered previously. And email is so really important for where we are in the business. That is a role that we'd kind of considered bringing in-house. But no, from sort of speaking to you and even like our initial engagement, it was really sort of seamless. And I think the one thing that really kind of stood out to me was we didn't just talk about, the project being a point A and a point B. It was that support afterwards to make sure that we had everything internally we needed to execute afterwards, whether that was looms and, small videos just to kind of point us in the right direction. That really meant a great deal for where we are in the business. And yeah, that sort of really helped us beyond that.
Amazing, man. And last question is, would you recommend Blackburn Digital to other companies?
100%, 100%. I think, look, it's very easy when you work with an agency to kind of go into the idea of, it feeling like they're going to come in and solve all the challenges in your business. I think with Blackburn, we kind of had that for you guys to come in and solve that problem, but just to have you guys come in and be that support system. And as I said, support us in areas that were probably outside of scope. It was the fact that you actually genuinely cared about what you were doing for us. I think that's really hard to find. So yeah, with no hesitation, happy to recommend you guys.
Brilliant, man. Thank you so much for that. Really enjoyed the project and appreciate you for sharing the story today, Casey.
No worries, man. Appreciate it.
Cheers.